Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for the next week. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendation. And if you're interested in Forex, then you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So the first stock for the next week is Australia and New Zealand Banking Group, and we have the daily chart of AANZ in front of us right now. There is no doubt that this stock is an uptrend, beautiful uptrend. But if we just focus on this particular portion, then we can see that the present trend of the market is kind of sideways. Right now the stock is trading in a range, and we have a support at 26.68 level, and the current market price is 27.43. and if we just focus in this particular portion of the chart, then we can see that right now the stock is under the influence of sellers, but we have a good support available at 26.68 level. Therefore keep your eyes on the stock and keep your eyes at the 26.68 level. Once the stock comes down and touches the 26.68 level, just observe the price. If you see that price is ready to bounce at 26.68 level, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, Abhilash was right. So the stock is having a good support at 26.68 level, and you can definitely click on the buy button. So that is the first stock. Let's jump to the second stock, and it's BSL, Blue Scope Still Limited. For this stock, you can see that this stock is also in uptrend, but we have got two lines here, because the most striking feature about this chart is that this chart is in an uptrend, but this chart right now forming lower highs as well as higher lows here, because you can see that the stock is unable to cross the previous highs, whereas whenever the stock is coming down, it is also not breaking the previous lows, and this kind of a pattern is called as symmetrical triangle pattern. So in symmetrical triangle pattern, there is a good possibility that market will cross the trend line above. In your charting platform, I'll request you to draw these lines so that you can understand the chart better. Therefore, what should be a strategy? The strategy is simple. Once you find the stock trading above 22.95 level, then you'll get the confirmation that stock has taken the uptrend, it's a breakout, and you can go for buy. So keep your eyes at the 22.95 level or 23 level for Blue Scope Still Limited, because it is following a symmetrical triangle pattern, and considering all the factors in the stock, there is a good possibility that we will be seeing a good up move or a breakout above this level. Clear? So let's jump to the third stock, and it's DXS. Another stock with good uptrend. The main reason behind selecting this stock is that you can see that the stock was in uptrend, and right now it is coming down. Clear? And we have got RSI here, relative strength index, one of my favorite indicator, and in the RSI you can see that there is a divergence, which means that in the stock you can see that the stock has formed a low here, and when the stock came down, it has formed a higher low here, which means that the stock did not break the previous low. But if you look at the RSI, then you can see that RSI is indicating something else. In the chart, the stock did not cross the previous high, but RSI has crossed the previous high, and you can see that there is a divergence. There is a indifference between the chart or the market and the RSI. And whenever we get a scenario like this, whenever RSI indicates something like this, we call it as bearish divergence. And bearish divergence generally indicates that there is a possibility that the stock price will further come down, or the price of the stock will fall. In case the stock falls, then you can short the market, and if you are not comfortable with shorting the market, you can buy a put option. You can just buy a put option and enjoy the profit. And if you want to short the market, you can also short the market. No harm. Let's jump to the fourth stock, and it's FMG. The fourth stock is FMG. This stock is in nice uptrend. Okay, the stock is going up. The current market price, or the last traded price of the stock, is 25.78. This is the last traded price of the stock. If you look at the chart carefully, then you can see that though the stock is in uptrend right now, but we have a resistance here. We have a resistance at 26.41 level. And if you look at the left hand side of the chart here, then you can see that previously also, when the stock was in uptrend, the stock was very much bullish. It faced severe selling pressure at 26.41 level. So this is a clear indication to us that 26.41 level is a strong resistance for the market, or in simple words, sellers are present at this price level and they will not allow the market to cross easily. Therefore, in case the stock fails to cross this level and reverses, you can short the market. You can short the market, or if you want to buy a put option, you can also buy a put option. But what I'm saying is that you'll get, or you'll see your trend reversal in the stock of FMG at 26.41 level. Yeah. Okay, let's jump to the fifth stock for the next week, and it's Reese. This stock is undoubtedly one of the best stock which is in uptrend. Okay, you can clearly see on the chart that this stock is in beautiful uptrend, and this kind of stock are very good for your portfolio. If you want to invest, then you can also invest your hard-earned money in a stock like this, where the chart is beautiful and all the things are great. You can see that I have a 50 moving average here, 50 moving average here, and this 50 moving average is acting as a support for the market. So if you want to buy risk, then you can wait for the stock to come down to the 50 moving average. Right now the stock is trading at 23.32 level. Okay, and the 50 moving average is just trading below the stock. So if you find risk taking support, or taking support near the 50 moving average also, then you can definitely go for a buy. Because see, this you can clearly see on the chart that the stock is going upside, the stock is bullish, the chart is beautiful. Therefore you can easily go for buy call, or you can easily go for a buy at the risk limited. Definitely a buy at risk, and the best price will be if it takes support at the 50 moving average, then that will be the best price. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendations. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.